Just got a my Autel power adapter. The one that came with the kit. For some reason, it's not working. In fact, let's see. This is the Ultra, by the way. That's the camera. Just breaking stuff left and right. This is just a, I don't know, it's a USB camera. Everything is just falling out. So I think it's this guy right here. This guy came with a unit. Made in China, of course. So this guy came with a unit. So I just want to make sure I know which one is which. But this is a call Autel, and they sent me out a replacement. So also made in China. That's, I guess, the adapter part. So I'm just gonna try this old one again to see if it works, or maybe it was just maybe it just had a day off or something. It didn't want to work. Make sure we got a good power source here. Yep. Plug this guy in and see if we can get anything out of this. If you're not aware, this thing actually comes with a okay, so it does come on. I wonder what's going on. It definitely wasn't working a couple days ago. In fact, when I called them, they told me maybe I didn't have this thing seated properly. I don't know. Maybe this thing wasn't fully seated because it's a brand new unit and it just went out. Are you serious? Yep, I think it just stopped. Gosh, man. So I think that thing is just has a short or something in there. So I plugged it directly into the unit, and I'll just plug it directly. I'll plug the charging cable into this docking station, if I can remember where to find it, right here. And then I'll just I'll dock it, see if the light comes on. This little light should come on. Yeah, no light. And let's see. I still have a good power source. What the? Okay. I don't know what's going on with this thing. This charger is obviously like shorting out or something. Something is going on with it. Because now it's turning on. Okay. Well, they sent me a new one, so I guess I'll just have two, and hopefully two will eventually make one. I don't want to mix the pieces though, so I'll definitely keep that little bag and keep them separated. So if you have one of these Autels or something, hopefully it's still in the warranty period, you can call them and get an adapter. Hopefully you don't have to go out of pocket for something this silly. So I'll plug it in. There we go. Find my power source again. And then I just want to see if this one actually works. See? It went out. don't know if you can see it. The light is no longer, and the light is on. So this thing is like it's definitely shorting out or something. All right, well, I'm gonna leave that for now. So if I plug this into the base, I'm not sure if the light is gonna come on. All right, it doesn't come on its own for good reasons. What if we dock it? Comes on. Let's see if it cuts out here. If I wiggle the cord or something. It doesn't really cut out, not yet. Because if it does, then it's going to tell me that there's something wrong with the unit and not the chargers. But it seems to be working just fine. Take it off the dock, light goes out. It's telling me my battery's dead. And if I just plug it into the back of this, like I did initially, using the new charging cable, I should come on. Yep, that light is on there. Yep. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this thing on the dock. Go get some food. We'll get this thing charged up. And since I have two power cables and I'm trying to figure out if they're just busted or what, I'm gonna charge the VCMI. It has an internal battery, but it does have a port for this, so I'll still try to use it. I mean, I don't want to just throw it out just yet. I just don't want to mix. I don't want to mix a good and a bad part. So on this, I should see some power lights. So this is the old adapter. Plug it in here. Says there's power. So I'll have two. I'll leave them out here. We'll see if it actually charges it. But that's the Autel Ultra. The power adapter was pretty bad, or wasn't working. Off note, I didn't even notice. It comes with a cigarette lighter. So when I call them, and I didn't even realize, when I called them, they were like, did you, I'm not gonna take it out of the package just to show it, but it has your standard jack right there. I mean, what the hell. So a cigarette lighter, and then your plug-in right there. So when I called the rep, he was like, did you plug it in to the car adapter? And I was like, I didn't even know I had one, to be honest. So, and this is charging the battery, so you can see it. So we'll see. We'll see. Old versus new. Anyway, like me always say, like on, don't hit the thing.